Bonjour à tous, my hello to you all. Je m'appelle Krisha, my name is Krisha, et aujourd'hui je vais vous enseigner le 22e leçon du livre par G. Mauger. And today I'll be teaching you the 22nd lesson of the French book by G. Mauger. So the 22nd lesson, it has been titled Les Alpes, which means the Alps, the mountain range of Alps. So let's begin. So I have attached a text of the French book. So we have this text. So let's start reading and then translating each sentence. Les Alpes, the Alps. Jouons à jeu nouveau. Let's play a new game. Lequel? Which one? Un jeu que je viens d'inventer. A game that I've just invented. Fermez les yeux. Close your eyes. Je vais dire un nom géographique. I'm going to say a name. I'm going to say a geographical name. Chacun à son tour dira ce qu'il voit dans son imagination. Each person in turn will say what they imagine, what they are imagining to see. Les Alpes, the Alps. Moi, je vois des vallées cultivées comme des jardins, des forêts, des sapins et d'êtres qui montent à 2000 mètres. So this is talking about, this first person is talking about their imagination of the Alps. Me, I see valleys cultivated like gardens, forests of fir, and beech trees climbing to up till 2000 meters, which is like the height. Plus haute encore, des neiges éternelles, les pâturages d'été à l'herbe courte et parfumée. And going further up than 2000 meters, there are eternal snowfields where there's always snow, the alpine meadows in summer, perfumed by short grass and herbs. And the next person, so they ask, et vous? And you? Quelle image vous faites-vous des Alpes? What image do you have of the Alps? Laquelle? Which one? Attendez, je ne puis répondre tout de suite. Wait, I'm thinking. I cannot respond so quickly. J'ai trop d'images en tête. So this person is talking about, wait, hold on, I cannot answer so quickly about my imagination. I have a lot of images in my head. So they say, j'ai trop d'images en tête. I have too many images in my mind. Alors, une autre. That's all right. Let's move to the other person. So the first person says again. So another person talks about now. Moi, me, je vois des villages sur les sommets avec leurs toits à longue pente. Me, I see villages on the highest peaks with their steeply slanted roofs. Les routes et les cols les plus élevés de l'Europe, par où l'on passe de la Savoie au Dauphiné jusqu'à la Provence. So they're talking about the geographical location of what they see up there. So we have the roads and the highest passes in the whole of Europe, the ones connecting Savoie to Dauphiné or Provence. So these are like certain places in France. Lesquels? Which ones? So then they're talking about celui de Mont Blanc, par exemple, les glaciers pleins de crevasses, les murailles à pic, les aiguilles vertigineuses. Now they're talking about the one that passes by Mont Blanc or this mountain range, for example, and the glaciers filled with crevasses, the steep walls, the sharp granite needles. So they're describing the terrain over there. Then we have les ascensions cordées conduites par des guides pleins de courage et de dévouement. They're talking about the guides who lead their ways here. So, what they've said is the rope team led by guides which are full of courage and devotion or determination. Then another person kicks in, they talk about moi. Je pense pour ma part, I think for my contribution to this game, au plein de neige, au ski, à la luge, au champ de neige, où l'on monte lentement par le téléphérique. So this specific person, they're talking about the winter sports which comes to their mind when they imagine the Alps. Me, I think for my part of the snowy plains, skiing, sledding, or traveling slowly by a cable car. N'oubliez pas l'ingénieur. Don't forget about the engineer. Pour moi, les montagnes, les Alpes surtout, c'est de l'eau de torrents et des rivières. For me, the mountains, the Alps especially, are all about water and the water of torrents and rivers. C'est une force immense. It's an immense force of water. Nous savons déplacer des villages, créer un lac artificiel, bâtir un énorme barrage de béton. So now today we know how to move villages, create an artificial lake, build a huge dam out of concrete. So they're talking about the water force over here, how much pressure the water can bring in. So, how the water comes into picture with the next sentence. Avec une hydroélectrique, nous allons transporter le courant à des centaines de kilomètres. It means with hydroelectric power, we've transported electricity over hundreds of kilometers just by using the pressure of water. So, this is where the chapter ends.